This is the Module 5 summary of the Foundations of Programming with Python video series. In this module, we continued with lists, covered dictionaries, file read and write access. We created a script template and looked at ways to improve our scripts. We got a brief intro to what Git and GitHub are and created the first repository. And we have been using Spyder as our IDE. At this point, you should be able to answer the following questions from memory. For the ones you can't, please review the subject accordingly. What is the difference between a dictionary and a list? What is the difference between an index and a key? How do you read data from a file into a list? And how do you read data from a file into a dictionary? Why is it making sense to organize data in a two-dimensional way? What is the programming pattern separation of concerns? How would you use a function to organize your code? Why is a script template useful? Why is error handling, the try-except construct, useful? What is GitHub and why is it used? And what is GitHub's mascot? When you can answer all these from memory, it's time to complete the assignment and move on to the next module.